So today we're looking at air architecture, so architecture that is essentially kept upright by constant air being filled within the structures. So this was an exhibition that was in Auckland a couple of years ago, and as you can see, creates some pretty beautiful interior spaces, sort of cave-like, very organic shaped spaces, and it's also got some great lighting effects. So this is all natural, so natural daylight filters through the colours and these translucent openings within the structure. I guess this is where, if we look at the exterior, it's essentially where the structures are held in place. We've got these weights, you've got the pumps blowing air into these structures, and then also you can see these structures have require to be fenced off, protected from any unwanted accidents. The structure is essentially quite smooth, nice to touch, thus making it incredibly hard for some people to leave. And yeah, thanks for watching.